Make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I am here with a 2019 Chevy Colorado. Now, this particular vehicle uses a B119 transponder key along with a separate keyless entry remote. So I've already went ahead and I've duplicated this key on our Futura Auto, and I've also grabbed a Ilco aftermarket replacement key fob. So I have the Smart Pro here, and let's go ahead and let's hop in and let's get this additional transponder key and keyless entry programmed. All right, so we have the Smart Pro connected to the OBD2 port, and we're ready to get programming. However, I want to note that this vehicle, it's cold here today. It's, I don't know, about 30, it says 43 degrees outside right now, and it's in the middle of the day, so it's super cold. And you know how batteries operate in cold weather, right? So we have the hood open on this, and we have the jump box connected. So make sure you're keeping one of those in your van. But now that we have it connected and we're good on the voltage here, let's go ahead and let's get this key and remote programmed here. So I'm going to go to Chevrolet. I'm going to go here to Colorado right here, 2019. All right, now here we are on this screen, and we're going to want to go ahead and get it connected here. So we're going to hit connect on the immobilizer. Now, before I go too much further though, I want to make sure you're going to your MyKeys Pro app and you're making sure and you're getting all the information that you need for this vehicle. So when we scroll down here a little bit, you can see additional information. It's going to give us some tips and tricks and so forth. So this is something that you're going to want to know, and like we know that this pin code reading is going to be just bypassed on this, okay? So let's go ahead and let's keep going. Now, one other important note though is that on this particular vehicle, it says that you have to have 2 keys required to run this vehicle. So if this vehicle doesn't already have 2 keys programmed to it, we're gonna have to make sure that we're reprogramming all of them back in, okay? So let's go ahead though and get going. So we're on this screen. We'll go ahead and hit the connect button. Switch ignition on. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the key, the new key, okay? I'll put that in, turn it to the on position. We'll hit okay. We're going on here to add keys, and let's see if it's gonna allow us to add the key. So let's go ahead and hit play. Okay, so we need to first go down here to read pin and hit the little play button on the bottom left there so we can read that pin code. Now, we're not going to have to write that pin code actually down, okay, because the Smart Pro is just going to keep it. So you can see it right here, 2486. We're going to click OK. Now we're going to go up here to add keys. We're going to hit play. All doors must be closed during this procedure. All of the doors are, so we'll hit OK. All right, and so now we just have a 10-minute wait, okay? So now, once again, this is so important that you have a jump box hooked up to this battery, because we already knew that the battery was low on juice here. So it's really good to make sure that that battery stays good while we wait these 10 minutes. All right, so the 10-minute wait just got done, and now it just says, please wait on the screen. So we're gonna continue to wait patiently until, here we go. It says, switch ignition off. Okay, so just did that. We'll hit okay. Open and close driver's door. Okay. Switch ignition on. Okay. Do you want to program more keys? We're going to hit no, because we already had the one program. So it already had 2 existing ones. But if it only had 1 existing, we would have to just grab the next key and do the same thing, okay? So we want to click OK there. And that is how you program the transponder key for this 2019 Chevy Colorado. Now let's program the keyless entry. So what we're going to do here is, let me get out of here. Okay, so we just want to get out of here. Let's get back into vehicles. Let's go to this same Chevrolet. Right there. We're going to go up here to remotes this time, okay? Right up here it says remote. So we'll go ahead and connect to that. Switch ignition on. Click OK. Okay, so we're gonna go right down here to program remotes. We're gonna hit play. Okay, so all remotes will be erased to do this. So I have the other remote right here. So we'll just program them both back in, okay? So we'll hit yes. Okay, maximum 8 allowed. Press unlock and lock on each remote for 8 seconds. Okay, so lock and unlock. We're gonna hold it down for 8 seconds, okay? We'll click OK here. Oh, you know what? I didn't do it. So real world here. So let's just go back and let's hit the button again. We'll hit yes again. So we'll hold these. Okay. Do the same on this other one here. Okay. So we'll hit OK. Procedure complete. Let's go ahead and let's see how they're working here. Okay, this one works good here. The other one works good as well. So that is how you program, let me grab it here, an extra transponder key and a keyless entry for this 2019 Chevy Colorado. All right, and that's how you program a 2019 Chevy Colorado, both the transponder key and the keyless entry remote with the Smart Pro. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we wanna hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're gonna pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.